Everyone is always looking for the next big cryptocurrency that will break the market and turn them into billionaires. After all, it's a nice dream that has worked out for a few in the past. So why not them? If this is you, then you've come to the right place. There is one token that is set to make huge waves and bring humongous profits to the pockets of everyone smart enough to get on it as soon as possible. What am I talking about? The FANZ token, of course. If you want to know how you can get as much as 10 times returns on your investments in cryptocurrency, then stick around till the end. As you must be well aware, the FANZ IDO is concluded and the public trading has kicked off on PancakeSwap. Upon completion of the FANZ IDO, over 3,000, yep, you heard that right, 3,000 holders recognized the potential that FANZ has and jumped on the train immediately. Now, you may be wondering, just what is the FANZ token all about to gather such a large following so quickly? And how can I get it? Well, you're just about to find out. You should be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this. The spectacular thing about FANZ is its simplicity. Unlike other tokens out there, FANZ's mission and goal can be easily summarized in one word: comfort. The very first fully decentralized, blockchain-based social trading platform is FANZ, and the platform aims at making copy trading as easy as possible. This is done by connecting the retail investors with a network of experienced, proven, and profitable traders. Thanks to the platform, every retail investor will have access to an easy-to-use, transparent, and secure platform that results in tapping from the wealth of experience of more experienced traders. With the Liquidity Mining program of FANZ live and active, there are 350,000 FANZ tokens up for grabs for the initial 4-month period for anyone interested in taking part in the program. 2 days after the IDO on September 17th, guess where FANZ was listed? That's right, CoinMarketCap. Talk about moving fast, eh? With FANZ tokens, perhaps the best step to take is to hold your FANZ tokens. There are several reasons why holding or hodling your coin is the best option for you to help improve your investment and profit margin. By holding your FANZ tokens, your fees are reduced when compared to the number of FANZ tokens that are held or staked after the platform launched. Investors who choose to stake a high amount of tokens will witness a drop in their fees by 50%. Additionally, the vault operators that hold or stake funds will receive 15% of the performance fees, as opposed to those who do not and receive only 10% of that fee. Stakers, in particular, are awarded a significant cut of some of the other fees. They're awarded 2% of the 20% general performance fee, and with half of the 2% management fees. In both cases, all the stakers share in these cuts across all vaults. In addition, stakers also passively earn FANZ tokens by simply staking. Since its release, FANZ has been pretty stable. This is especially good news when the coin is compared to the big names in the cryptocurrency world, which experienced dips in their prices. With just about everyone in the community choosing to hold their tokens, the FANZ token currently has a low trading volume. The investors are choosing to hold because they believe in the long-term vision that FANZ advertises. It won't be long before the mass adoption of FANZ takes hold, and what better position is there but in the front seat, holding a great deal of the cards. By choosing to hold in the long term, they know they'll get the best returns and make high profits off the FANZ tokens. The FANZ platform is set to go live in the 4th quarter of this year. When the veil is lifted and the platform is open to the public, the price of the FANZ token is set to skyrocket. The time to invest and get as much profit from the platform is now. By getting in on the action and becoming one of the over 3,000 holders of FANZ tokens, you are strategically positioning yourself for the huge long-term profits that the FANZ token will bring once the platform goes live. As the cryptocurrency world waits with bated breath and anticipation for the day the platform goes live, there's no doubt in the mind of anyone that the FANZ token will be widely successful. To become a proud owner of FANZ, you should check out PancakeSwap, where they are being traded with a FANZ BNB pair. To invest in FANZ is taking a step in the right direction towards financial freedom, as the new token is set to take the world by storm. It's simply a smart move to get in on the action early. A word of advice to everyone who wishes to join in on the fun: make sure you're keeping an eye on your investment. That is just common investor knowledge, right? Be sure to check out FANZ on Twitter and become a part of almost 20,000 followers. If you enjoyed this video, you can let us know by liking and sharing it. You should also subscribe to this channel for videos like this, and if you've got any thoughts or questions, please let us know in the comment section. Till next time, stay safe.